like a mini Google, so if you want to find something out, just text in and then find it.
Yeah, and they can help from like the tiniest things to really like things you might find like serious things.
Today, it's a delight really to launch the Meic Helpline as a 24-hour service. When you need information, when you need advice, but most importantly with Meic you can talk to someone who is on your side and can help you to get others to listen to what you have to say.
Adults don't always know what's best for children because children have a different perspective of things from adults. So it can help with a lot of decisions and they can come up with some good ideas.
Meic is an innovative service and I'm delighted to be involved with it. To me it's innovative for two very distinct reasons. First and foremost, it's the first service of its kind that aims to ensure children and young people in Wales have the support they need to secure their right to access information and secure their right to have a voice in decision making.
It's more formal when you phone, but when you text or go on the internet it feels not directly...
When you do the IN thing, it's like going on MSN.
Yeah.
Chat,
Yeah, it's just so much more like comfortable and relaxed.
Yeah.
In total, the Meic Helpline has received 4,127 contacts. Of these contacts, 2,984 have been by phone.
It's really useful because a wide variety of people can use it, because if people haven't got internet or haven't got a phone or whatever, then a wide variety of people can use it. It's easily accessible.
So Meic really does provide that service. It gives young people a voice, and it also, on a pragmatic level, if they do have any problems for whatever reason, it gives them the ability to phone up and to get that advice and that help when they need it.
I think a lot of young people are feeling stressed with like schoolwork. I find that a lot, so maybe just help talking through it and confidence and things like that.
From today, Meic is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can text, instant message or phone in Welsh or in English.
Good luck!